Good morning, friends. It is a beautiful day here in upstate New York, and I'm here to let you guys know that I jumped on the Temu bandwagon. I was a little nervous trying it out. I wasn't sure if it was legit, but I saw all these videos of people raving about it, and I put in an order for a bunch of journaling stuff, and as you can see, it all came, and it came much quicker than I thought it would. It didn't even take 2 weeks, I don't think, and these are the things that I got now. I did see this set on Amazon, and I think it was 3 times the cost on Amazon. So these are just washi tapes. Now I have to admit, when the package came, it was only about this big, like maybe 7 inches by 5 inches. So I was like, oh my gosh, I was expecting it to be much bigger, but everything was in it. And so we have a bunch of different little Whispers of Time retro imprint washi tapes. It's got some more nature-y. I mentioned in a previous video, I wanted some more neutral, just solid color washies, and this was the closest I could get to it. I thought I also had ordered the Monet one, but I guess I didn't. So I do want, now that I know that I've gotten it and everything is legit, I'm going to put in another order and get some other things. But there's some really nice neutrals in here, and some are very thin. I don't know what I would do with those. I mostly use these for tip-ins, but also I've seen, and I've started doing, is using them to put photos on your page. So, you know, like in the corners. So that's that. And then I got these little tiny paper books, and this is called the Japanese style. I thought they were stickers, but they are not. And you can see them on both sides. Oops. So this is like not really my usual style, this one, so I wanted to try something new. I've seen stuff like this on different journaling channels, and so I thought I'd check it out, and they're kind of cool. Now this one over here is more of my style, botanical garden, and let's see, there's some little sunflowers, and that's what that one looks like. And they're I guess they're almost like vellum. Here's a mushroom one. So one side is a little darker than the other side, I do believe. So there's the mushroom one. And so you get all these little papers that you can collage with or decorate with or whatever. And this is a bunch of tags. And when I've already opened up this tag thing, they are not like cardstock. They are definitely paper, which I think that's just feels like it's 2 there, but I don't know. I guess it's just 1. It's more like paper, and that would be good for not adding too much bulk to your papers and collages and things. Let's get a big one out. Yeah, more like paper, definitely, than cardstock. You know, like the manila tags that we all have. This one I have not opened yet, because it was very pretty. I love the papers. It just says Mo card in English. So, I guess I can show you guys this, in case you were looking for it. Oh, maybe I'll do this too. I see we have this on the back. Is it focusing? I can't tell if it's focusing because my eyes are not focusing. Oh, they all say Mo card. So I don't know. Anyway, let's open this up. and see what other papers lurk behind. Oh, there's more than papers. There's little tags, or little labels too. Oh wow, didn't know that. And they're just like paper. And so we've got lots of textured papers here. You know, all different kinds. That's got like a leaf imprint. This is definitely, these are definitely my favorites. The ones with the little like flowers on them. So I'm glad there's a lot of those. So pretty. Some of them are hard to get apart. This is smooth, it's not textured. This one is slightly textured. Oh, this is smooth too. And then there. This is like mulberry paper. I don't know if you're familiar with that. So we've got all these little tags and labels. And then I have even more labels. Notes collection. It's everything in it. I'm going to have a hard time putting everything back, I can tell you that. So this is just a whole bunch of different, very, you know, thin paper labels and things. I'll just kind of go through it real quick. Yeah, well, that's cute. I don't normally use things like this, so I wanted to get things that I don't normally have, just to challenge me a little bit to branch out and make some new creations. Oh, and I'm definitely going to order some more stuff, because all of this was just $20, by the way. That's it. 20 bucks for all of this stuff. And then the last things that I got are the pressed flower stickers. I'm not going to dump all of these out, I don't think. I don't know. So yeah, they're just, I got the daisy pack, but there's all kinds of different ones that you can get. That one's same. So it looks like there's, you know, more than one of each design. I'm trying to get this really, there's a little tiny one here. And is that showing up? So there's those. And then I just wanted to get one of these bigger ones out. Let's see. There. So that's that. And then let's move these out of the way, and we'll look at these leaves and viney things. Oh yeah, this almost reminds me of those rub-ons from Dollar Tree, except they're stickers. I'm wondering how difficult it will be to get the backings off. Are these, maybe these are rub-ons? I don't think so. This one's upside down. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure out what the... Yeah, definitely not rub-ons, so those are stickers. So, also, I didn't get this from Temu, but I got it from Amazon. A label maker. And I've already made a label. Now there's no space, so if you want to do more than one word at a time, I just did a period. Now obviously I'm not going to put something this long on my journal. I'll have to cut it up. But I put a quote: "You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." And you know I'm an old lady, and I like to set goals and dreams. And you're never too old for that. This book was recommended by Shada Campbell. She has a channel on YouTube, and it's just all the different flowers, and so you can look at them and try to paint them for inspiration. But in the back are all these little tiny, I don't know if you can tell, perforated images of the flowers with their names and information on the back. But they would make perfect little fake postage stamps. So that's kind of neat. So anyway, yeah, I was trying to paint some flowers for my granddaughter's bedroom, and I thought this might be a good... Some of them are very small, though. If you're old like me, you're going to need a magnifying glass to see them. Anyway, so that is my haul, and I decided to go ahead and try putting one of the stickers on one of these little labels. And I have to tell you, it was pretty hard, and it took quite a while, but not too bad. But I want to try another one on camera while you're watching. I think I need, here, let's try. I need a small one for that. That's good. Let's see now. If you guys have a hint on how to do this quicker and easier, let me know, because it's kind of frustrating and will make me maybe not want to not reach for them very often, if you know what I mean. I thought this might help, but it does not. So yeah. Oh, there we go. Just got to fool around with it. That actually didn't take too long. Let's put that right there. There, I'm just going to cut that off. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Okay, well, once again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.